Hello class and welcome back. We have another debugging exercise that we are going to go through today. And our exercise is going to prompt our user for any number of values up to 20 and average them. Okay, so we have our quit function, our quit integer. We have an array that we're creating named numbers. It's going to be a new array. And since up here it says up to 20, we're going to put the number 20 inside these straight brackets. That will let our program know that we want at most 20 items in this array. We have int x, int number, we have a double average, a double total, we have a string for in string, we have console.write, but since we have this line here, we do not need console.write. We can just take out that. Please enter a number or the quit function to quit. In string readline, readline needs to be open and close parentheses. It is a function after all. We're going to convert dot to int 32. Make sure you put that 32 in there. The in string, which is this variable here, we're going to put it into the num variable. And so while x is less than numbers.length and number equals quit, so our while loop header is wrong. So what we're going to do is we are going to change this not equal quit. Okay. And if we hover over x in our IDE, it says use of unassigned local variable x. So up here, we can just assign x the value of 0, and that will take that away. I don't know why they put parentheses around here. I have no idea. Okay, so as long as x is less than numbers.length and the number is not quit, we're going to run through this while loop. So in the while loop, wherever number the number that our user enters is going to be assigned to this numbers array up here in whatever position x is. So if x is 0, the num gets assigned to the first position. If x is 1, it gets assigned to the second position, and so on. Our total, just for my sanity's sake, I'm going to make that even. The total is going to be plus equals numbers wherever x is. And we're going to increase x after that fact. And then we're going to reprompt our user within the loop to enter a number or the quit function to quit. We're going to get their in string from the read line. Read needs to be capitalized there. We're going to convert it to a number. And then we're going to come back up here and check the number, make sure it's not quit, see if x is less than numbers.length. So the while loop looks fine. After the while loop, we have a write line function. This is just kind of like a title, the numbers are. And for int y equals 0, y is less than x, xx plus. So x is the number that we have. Now we have up to 20, so we don't want to use numbers dot length because we might enter in like 5, and we don't want numbers dot length. We want x. But in our header, since we're using y to kind of traverse through the array, and we're using y as our checker, we need to increase y and not x. So take out that x, put in a y. Again, take out console for the read or for the write. We have 6 numbers wherever y is. So we're going through the array, looking at y, finding the numbers in that position. Average equals total divided by z. Z is not anything. Z is going to be, we're going to change that to x. And then write line is going to give us a space in our command line. And then the average is, and we need to make sure we spell average correctly. And let's see. We're expecting a closing parentheses. There it is. And that is all of our debugging. Let's go ahead and run it and see if it works. Please enter a number or 999 to quit. Let's do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's do 999 to quit. The numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The average is 30. That is correct. All right. So our program works out just fine. We fixed all the syntax and logic errors. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.